20 nautical miles. Issued at 2:44 a.m. Gale warning in effect from 10 a.m. this morning through Sunday morning.
Oh my gosh, is the weather going to turn bad? Wow, I can't believe the weather recently. Hey, this is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And wow, I live in Florida, and I was born and raised in Florida, and I'm not used to cold weather. I do remember as a kid, though, that it got down to 14 degrees, and it even kind of snowed. There were snowflakes coming down, surprisingly enough, and they did land on the ground. But I can't believe this was. They claim there's like a 10% chance that it will snow here in the Tampa Bay area today. Not they're saying that's not really likely, but there's a chance. Anyway, what you need in these conditions is a weather radio. And this is a nice one. I just got this from Prunus. It's the J369 brand new radio. Just came on the market. There's the carrying. Whoa, Tom, time to start over. There is the manual. Pretty straightforward. Nice big print, easy to read. There's the charging cable, USB charging cable, for both charging the internal battery, which is 3,000 milliamp hours, and for using that battery or AA batteries to charge yours, like your cell phone, in case you don't have any power and you can't charge your cell phone. Also has a little solar panel here on the top for charging. I found these are not very effective. They're so small. You have to leave them not directly in the sun. You don't want to do that, but in direct sun for a couple of days. So it's there, but not very efficient. This is more efficient, is the crank charger. These work pretty good. And then here's where your external batteries go. Telescopic antenna is about 15 inches. Carrying strap. A light. I can turn the light on right here using this button. And it also can scream SOS. I'm not going to even try the light because I hit the SOS position one time and about blew my ears away. So I'm going to stay away from that. We have some indicators here. Let me show you up close here. That one, the green one there, shows locked on a station, which is one of the weather channels on NOAA. This is indicating that the battery has been charged and it's fully charged. And then this button is indicating that it's being charged. Over here, we have the band select and the on-off. We got FM, AM, weather band, tuning. Over here is the selection for the battery source. And notice they put a big message here. Before use, move it to the selected power source. I'm sure what's happened is people have gotten this radio, and mine came in the AA source, AA batteries source. And I didn't have any AA batteries in it. And I didn't think I was going to put any in there because it's got a built-in battery. So I tried to turn it on, it wouldn't come on. Well, this is where you select what type of battery it uses, whether the internal battery or the AA's. And like I say, it was set to AA, no batteries wouldn't work. So they went to the trouble of putting this little decal on there to let you know, hey, you got to do something here. Also, if you lift this up, this solar panel, if you lift it up, there's another light, very bright light for reading. Pretty cool. Does a great job of tuning. The tuning is pretty coarse, though. Very small dial. I was able to get 2 of the NOAA weather channels near me. Typically, I can get 2 pretty good, and sometimes I can get 3, but not on this radio. I couldn't get that third one. So we're on the weather band, and we'll turn the volume back up.
Water is extremely rough. A slight chance of showers late this morning. A slight chance of showers late. Tonight, northwest winds 30 to 35 knots.
35 knots?
25 to 30 knots after midnight.
Whoa.
Seas 5
Gonna be
to
rough.
7 feet, occasionally to 9
Yeah, I can get one more up here at the top.
in seconds.
There you go.
Monday, north winds 10 to 15 knots with gusts up to 20 knots.
So that's typical. I get 2 stations.
In the afternoon.
We'll turn the volume down,
To 4 feet.
and we'll go down to
5 feet.
AM,
Wave detail, northwest 4 feet.
and we'll try to stay away from music. We're at the top of the band. Yeah, it wants to face that way. Oh, music. 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 Music.
That you are taking the place of these beloved young people. I have always labored lovingly for them and
I think because if you're talking to agents,
Right.
I was talking to Ray.
A little bit of,
Especially like, after the holidays.
turn this back down. A little bit of a muffled sound on the speaker. It appears to have 2 speakers, but it only has 1 right here. Plenty of volume. And like you heard, I was getting plenty of stations. Same is true with FM. I'm not going to try FM. Just FM this time of day. It's going to be all music, so I'm not even going to try it. Nice looking little radio. Comes in various colors. They sent me the red one. I think it comes in a green and a tan, I believe. And let me look at the manual here, see if I missed anything. Reading lamp, SOS. Yeah, I told you about that, but I wasn't going to try it. So I think that's about it. Hand crank, solar charging. Yeah, I told you about that. AM is 530 to 1700. FM is 87 to 108. That's about it. Again, I want to thank Prunus. This is the J369. I got one more radio they sent me in this batch, which is another weather radio. I can't emphasize enough for you to get you a weather radio of some kind. Now you can say, oh, I got my cell phone. Well, trouble is, when you lose power, you can't charge your cell phone. This will do both for you. It will give you weather reports and can use it to charge your cell phone so you can make calls. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the show, please give me a thumbs up and have a great day. Bye-bye.